What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this not hot.
Is it good?
Well, stop it then.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I intruding you?
No, you're not. You're not doing anything. And I was just kidding, saying stop it. So don't stop.
You're funny.
Now is it not hot?
I don't think so.